We're here at Camp Shelby, Joint Forces Training Center today, and this is actually at one of their tactical training bases where troops sometimes rotate in and train. One of the great opportunities that we have here at Camp Shelby is that we're able to take things out of the lab and out of our control, even our high bay where we scale things up, and take them to a more challenging, austere location. Here we're pretty far away from things. You know, we can't just run to Home Depot and go get what we need. So it sort of reflects some of the challenges that people, our troops and other people would see in the more austere environments. Being able to demonstrate and validate technologies down here is a huge asset. So part of that training is we look at some of their wastewater, specifically Greywater, where we have shower water and sink water, and sometimes laundry water, and we capture that here in our test bed here. And so what we're looking at is, can we effectively reuse that gray water for other purposes? And so toilet flushing, vehicle washing, dust suppression, industrial cooling, things like that. So lots of things, irrigation, lots of things you could do with the water if you were to reuse it. Recycling would be an ultimate goal, and that's going to be used for the exact same purpose. So the shower water would be treated, go back into the shower as you reuse it. And so we're treating it to a very high quality. We're shooting for drinking water quality water. We're not saying that this is drinking water, but the quality is that of drinking water, so it would be safe. And so one of the things that we're trying to do through our multiple pilot and prototype systems here is we're evaluating technologies and processes to see how safe is safe and define that. Hopefully that data will help people make decisions in the future on how we can wisely reuse water and decrease water demand. Water is wasted, and we have wastewater. So typically, we have big ticket items that we don't even think about, right? So we have the water we drink for hydration, we think about that. But then we also have water that we use for showering, we use for laundry, we use all these things. And so as we have climate change, as we have, increasing populations, population shifts, changing demand, and just a lot of uncertainty in terms of, are we going to have the water supply that we need to meet that future demand? And there are studies that are showing that we are going to have a significant population that will be facing water scarcity or living in a water scarce region. So as the demand increases, I think that we're going to have to figure out a way to be smarter about water, and I think reuse is going to be part of the equation.